Hello guys, welcome back. Let us see new and last topic in Append series. A new topic in Power BI that how do we append different data sources in Power BI. This would be for the first time we are seeing different data sources. It can be any data source, SQL, Oracle, Big Data, Hadoop, anything. But here I have taken a very simple example how to append Excel with CSV file in Power BI. Now, since everyone has CSV and Excel, so I have created a folder monthly sales file CSV in Excel, and there are two files April and March, and they one is Excel and one is CSV file. I'll open that both files and you can see that's the March 2020 and April 2020. So I'll just bring those side by side. So these are two files which I have and one CSV and Excel. Both files are having same columns. If you see date, client and sales and date, client and sales, they have the same column. Now the question is how to append those 10 records with this 10 records. You can see here the month is given as March and here the month is given as April. Okay, these 2 months are there. So let us see. I'll just close this file and I'll close this file. I can open here Power BI. Now this Power BI is empty. Nothing is there. Is this file. First one, I'll just click on Get Data Excel and pick up the Excel file from that folder. That's April 2020. Open. Now, one file would be Excel, one would be CSV. Here, I'll be getting the file name. So, that's the April 2020 file. And I can just select this April and click on Load button. I am directly clicking on Load. So, that file would be visible on the right hand side. So you can see that April file is loaded here. Let us load the other file, Get Data, and I'll select the option Text CSV, and the other file is March 2020. Open, and now I can also click on Load button. So this is one method of loading separate Excel and separate CSV file. Okay, but now if I want to append those, I have to go back to Power Query. Okay, so in Power Query I can load. So you can see April and March are loaded. Nobody can find out the difference whether it is a CSV or Excel. If you observe, the icons for both the file is same. So here they are loaded, they are known as queries. Now I can just go to Home tab and click on Transform Data on this place. Now in Transform Data on the left hand side, you can see these are queries which have loaded. I will click on Append Queries as new. So a third query would be created, and since I have only two tables, I will select the April from top and March from bottom. April and March, and click on OK. A third query would be loaded and I will write as appended data. And you can see date, client and sales in billion. So both the columns or both the files have been appended and I am getting 20 records. Now I can just right click and disable this load enable. Load, same way I can right click on March 2020 and enable continue. I deselect that option, so When I click on close and apply, I will be getting only the appended data in the output in the Power View. So I will not get the other two queries. Okay. So I will just click on close and apply. Carefully observe whatever was in italic format, the query name will not be loaded. So here I will be getting only one appended data query on the right hand side. So I can use that file and create some charts and visuals. So you can see only one appended date and only one query is there, not the other two options. So that's it. I hope you have understood how to append different data sources in Power BI. For more insightful content, explore our open topics section. Don't forget to connect us, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for the latest updates.